My name is Simon Bartlett. I'm the Managing Director of Woodbase Joiners Ltd. We're a company that makes high-end bespoke joinery, mainly dealing in solid timber joinery. We also work on listed buildings, do a lot of staircase work, high-end staircases, so all aspects of purpose-made joinery really. I left school at 16 and did a joinery apprenticeship because I was passionate about wood and making things out of wood. As time went by, having picked up a bit of knowledge, myself and my business partner of many years decided to branch out on our own in 1987. The original equipment we bought was budget based in the sense that we didn't have any money. So I think we had the machinery that Noah built the Ark with primarily. But as finances permitted, we very quickly upgraded. I think at one of the trade shows at Birmingham, I noticed their stand, they definitely upped their game. Their kit was, very much in line with the best that was out there, and also seemed to be offering very good value for money. So when we started looking at replacing a thicknesser, I went and looked at the Felder. That's the exact 63, which is pretty much the top of the range machine. It had absolutely everything you could want. It was well made. The electronic controls were very easy to use, very intuitive, always helpful when you're trying to introduce the guys to new methods of working. The one thing it did have that nobody else had was the multi-cutter spiral block, which I saw as being a huge asset. It's quieter, you get more bang for your buck in terms of power. It's very precise, which is great because of the way the cutters are installed. There's no human error involved in setting up the cutters. It's been here for 4 years or more. It's been absolutely faultless, and so far so good. One of the biggest problems is, as years go by, you've got less access to skilled labour. So everything you can do that eliminates the need for a long time to learn skills is good. So the spindle moulder that we've bought has auto presets, and everything is adjusted electronically on a control panel. So once you've got the thing working as you want it to work and everything's in place and you've got all your tools in the library, if you want a 15mm by 40mm rebate or something that you commonly use, it's number 3. So that's very good. It's a very, very well built machine, so it's rock steady, runs very, very smoothly. It's state of the art in terms of health and safety requirements. And overall, I think that the bottom line is time saved. It's accumulated. It's only 20 seconds here, a minute there, 15 seconds here and there, but you do that all day, every day, and that makes a difference. I would say anybody who's looking at buying quality machinery as an investment that's going to give them good service over the longer term, I would say Felder is definitely worth a look.